YouTube! Good morning, welcome back to the vlog, E-Zee Riders. And yes, once again, it's a wet, windy, horrible day in Bristol, but you've got to get out, even if it's just for an hour. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Just having a spin in the local area, see what's occurring, see what unfolds. Come and join me. Last few years the local council put a cycle path, you can see in front, on this main road to Yate, which is quite good, quite a busy road. There's a cycle path on the side of the pavement, enough for 2 bikes, so yeah, fair play. windy today. Really windy, really quite gusty. Keeps grabbing the wheel. Oh, I got a bloke waiting for me in his car. It's good of him. Wear my new winter boots out I purchased in the week. But I think I'm going to save them as a bit of a Christmas present, give them to the wife to wrap up. I'll give you a quick look at them later on when I get home. Another bargain on the sale in Wiggle. Something like 60% off or something. I think they're closing down. North Wave Arctic Gore-Tex something FX G245. So we'll see how we get on with those after Christmas. Keep the old feet warm. It's not too bad now. Just windy. But at least it's not raining. Look at that, good old proper muck spreader. Spreads that muck about, gosh. Taste the West Country. The water's just flowing off the common here. Lots of rain. Lucky to get out for half an hour or so, even though the sun is out. Bloody hell! Gust of wind really pushed me over there. Hope everybody's still making the effort to get out, even though the weather's not good. I know a lot of people do the indoor Swift sort of thing, but can't be getting out of fresh air. Make the effort, people. Feel better for it. It's only an hour, hour and a half. That's all we got to do. 15, 20 miles. The doctor away. Ish. Come on, son. Come on, come on. Come on out. Yay! Oh yeah, nut jobs. What was on this bed just here? Suicide. Where's another one? Suicide clothes. What's that about?